My mate Adam Swanson is back and we're going to be cooking a lovely pasta dish with wagon wheels.
Yeah, something different, eh, Jess? Wagon wheels. Sandra and wagon wheels are fantastic for this dish. I'm going to show you a quick and easy rosé sauce.
Ooh la la!
Rosé.
Très français.
Oh, hey, no,
really?
we just go rosé, that's it for us. So we have a little difference in there as well, but we need to get the pasta into the water. We need to add some salt into our boiling water, Jess. So it's going to take around 10 minutes to cook our pasta.
Okay.
In they go. Don't forget to give it a little stir. Now, this rosé sauce has a real key ingredient, which I'm going to get you first is chopping me up some onions. Just dicing, please. Now, garlic, 3 cloves of garlic. We're just going to get the back of our palm and give them a little squash like so, just. So no need to chop.
Okay.
Olive oil into the pan.
So you don't want to chop your garlic?
Yeah, so this is traditionally what we do in Italy. They basically infuse the oil, with the garlic, and then we'll remove these garlic cloves out thereafter, okay?
Okay, nice.
Could you slice that chilli in half for me?
Sure can.
Just like that. That's it, perfect. Okay. Into the pan also. So our garlic and chilli are going to infuse into the oil for the base of the sauce while you're cutting those wonderful onions.
So why is it called a rosé sauce?
Okay, so obviously rosé stems from, having a tomato base, yeah? So we're using tomato paste today and some cream. But my key ingredient here, which is a little bit different, is using vodka. You say, vodka, Italian, no?
Now I'm listening. Talk to me.
Well, we're going to use that, obviously, to deglaze our pan and get the flavour in there. So it's really just another form of alcohol, yes?
You would never think that cooking with vodka works, but it actually is quite nice with it. It does leave a nice aroma at the end of it. It's not sort of harsh and strong.
Lovely. I'll have the onions, please.
Okay.
So this dish here, we're going to cook it in the same time. 10 minutes for our pasta to cook. Our sauce is going to be ready in 10 minutes. All right, so we're going to fry up these onions on a quite high heat. They're going to take around 5 minutes just to sweat down. Now, my tip here is to make sure you're constantly moving these onions around. Don't allow them to sit because otherwise you're going to get colour, and we don't want that caramelisation. This time we just want to sweat them out and keep that whiteness.
Nice one.
Okay, Just, onions are looking great, collapsed down well, no colour.
Yeah, and I noticed you put a little bit of that water in there.
Yes, pasta water obviously helps just to collapse down the onion and also flavour.
It's almost making it creamy, isn't it? I like it.
Rosé sauce. Can I have the vodka, please?
Okay.
In with the vodka.
In with the vodka.
See, and that goes. So really what we're going to do is reduce that liquid by half. That way we guarantee we're removing all the alcohol.
Yep.
Okay? So take a minute or so. Awesome. So vodka's definitely gone now. So 1 and 2, in it goes. Give it a bit of a stir.
And then again, you need to cook that down and cook out the rawness of that tomato paste.
Yeah, definitely. Another minute or so, then we add in the cream. Don't forget we're going to remove out the garlic and the chilli. Yeah, there's nothing worse than getting a big whole clove chewing on with our pasta. Okay, just been a minute or so, let's remove our chilli and garlic. Now we're going to add in our cream. Okay, and this is where our rosé comes in, rosy.
Rosy sauce, very nice.
So give that a stir, mix in all the flavours together. I'll get you to pick some basil for me, just the leaves. We're just going to use them for a garnish. I'm going to check on the pasta, the wagon wheels.
Okay.
Ah, there we go. Look, Jazz. They're looking amazing, yeah?
Nice. Very good.
Very, very nice. Okay, Jazz, our pasta's ready to go into our wonderful rosé sauce. Out come the wagon wheels, straight off the liquid.
Lovely.
Now, I have some cheese over there. Pecorino and Parmesan, all right? So it's overload, so it's your cheese heaven for you.
This dish is my heaven. It's 2 types of cheese and cream and pasta.
Yeah.
I'm a happy lady.
Wagon wheels, wagon wheels, Jazz. Something different for you today. Look at that. Look at them jumping around in the pan. Turn off the heat. So now I can get some of that cheese.
Yes, so pecorino first.
There's no right or wrong here. Go for it.
Right. I love how the little wagon wheels, because there's so many nooks and crannies, that the sauce goes in it everywhere.
Definitely.
I know.
Nice. I'll give that a little flick. Work that all through. Oh, there's always one that wants to escape.
And some Parmesan.
Very nice. And making sure that you're cooking the pasta right to al dente, just because see how it's all keeping together, keeping its shape. The sauce, like you mentioned, has gone through obviously those holes.
Yeah.
It's just perfect. Now, a little cracked pepper.
And you turned the heat off, then you added the two cheeses. Is there a reason for that?
Well, you know, it just makes sure that you're not going to burn. So the cheese is not going to stick to the bottom of the actual dish,
Yep.
the pan, and then it's going to get that burnt flavour through. And just remember, it's still cooking. Even though there's no heat in there, no flame,
Yes.
that pasta's still cooking right now.
Absolutely. All right.
Oh, thank you.
Nice plate so we can show off those wagon wheels. Smells good. Great.
Nice. Now, just to garnish, a few little basil leaves over the top. And again, no need to chop. Place on, like so.
Very good.
You read my mind, of course. Finish off with some extra cheese is a must.
Just a little.
It's like it's snowing. Perfect. Perfecto, just.
One for you, one for me.
Thank you.
Little wagon wheels. That is such a great shape. The kids will love this too.
Yeah. 10 minutes, pasta in the water,
Yep.
sauce is done, dinner's ready.
Love it. I really do.